Hello everyone and welcome back to another video here on Sequoia, and today we're going to have a very quick but effective comparison of two different cameras, one of which is £500 and the other is sort of tending towards £3,000. Now this is including lenses, etc. So the cameras we have on display today for testing purposes, our little guinea pigs, we have of course the Sony A7 Mach III with my beloved 28 to 75mm f2.8. And that is f2.8 all the way through. And up against that we have the Lumix G7 with the kit lens, which is 14 to 42mm. So obviously I don't expect that this is going to be better than that because there's a £2,500 price difference pretty much, but I'm going to basically show you why that £2,500 exists, pretty much, the difference between these two. So yeah, if you do enjoy this video and enjoy seeing the difference between stuff like this, then stick around for more videos. I've got a lot more of this kind of thing planned for the future. Yeah, I've got plans for this. So yeah, please subscribe if you want to see more of that. But let's get into the comparison. So right now we're recording with the A7 Mark III, of course, and the test is going to be at 4K, both using pretty similar settings, and I'm going to expose these to the best possible scenario. So this I'll put at, they're both at 28mm by the way, and this I'll put at f3.5, which is the lowest, and f2.8 for that, and then we'll just adjust the settings just so things are perfectly exposed and they're pretty similar. So yeah, right now you're looking at the Sony A7 Mark III with the 28 to 75mm f2.8. And yeah, both of you shooting at 4K. So yeah, have a look what you think. I've got a nice light over there, so that's lighting me up. Now obviously I could always describe to you the differences right now, but it's a lot easier for you to see them yourself. Obviously you're gonna have a lot more background blur, a lot more sharpness in this, and better dynamic range, everything like that. But yeah, let's switch over to the G7 and see how much of a huge difference there is. Let's go. All right, yeah, and now we're on the Lumix G7. So right now you can probably notice the main big differences, and first one I'm going to show you is, yeah, focused in time. Yeah, but this is the A7 that I was using just then. Obviously it's a lot bigger, but it's worth it. Okay, are we going to get the focus back? Obviously not. All right, yeah, so judge for yourself. I have put them both on auto white balance, just so it's a controlled environment, so whichever looks the best color obviously has the best white balance, I guess, in a way, but there's more complications to that. But yeah, so judge for yourself the sharpness, the background blur, the colors, everything like that. It's your decision to make. Yeah, let me know what you think looks better. And you're probably going to have a lot more noise compared to the full frame, as this is working with a Micro Four Thirds sensor. But yeah, everything is exactly the same as I was using the A7, but just on this G7 camera. So I might as well finish on this camera. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one.